Hey everybody, Silver Lion back with another video, and this is an exciting one today. Looks like we got a package in the mail. So stay tuned for the rest of the video to find out what's inside the box and to learn a little bit more about a great subscriber that we have on this channel. Hey everybody, thank you for tuning back in, and we got a great video for you guys today. We've been super excited for this box to get in the mail. It's been about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks since we've ordered this, but I'm excited to open it and finally show you guys. So let's dig into it, huh? Got my little box cutter right here. Nice little knife. Picked up in Tennessee a couple years back. We're gonna cut open the sides real quick. Got that open. And I'm going to try to save the best for last, so if I have to edit this video a little bit, I'm going to. But hopefully I don't have to too much. Looks like I might. Give me a second to pop this bad boy open. This tape is pretty tough, and I don't want to ruin any surprise for you guys. So they've got this thing pretty well secured. I don't know if you guys can see that down in there. All that glue and stuff that they used. But I don't mind it. It's just kind of a pain to get open. All right, here we go. Try not to spill anything out. Let me take that out of focus real quick. Ooh, baby. Here, I'll give you guys something pretty to look at for a little while. There you go. Little side note on my piece here. I purchased this in Tennessee at a little shop. I don't live in Tennessee, but I took a vacation to Gatlinburg, and they had a pretty cool knife collection, so I paid a decent penny for this thing. It is Impala horn. That's what the handle is made out of. I think that's pretty cool. If you don't know what an Impala is, it's not just a Chevy product. It's an actual animal. It's got antlers. All right, so we got the box all ripped up here. I'm gonna toss that off to the side. First thing I'm gonna show you guys, take this out of the way, is my gloves. I wanted to get some handling gloves. I got a 12 piece, and I think those will come in handy for videos, and you guys won't have to see my ugly hands anymore, because I don't have pretty hands. I work with my hands, and they get dirty. I work for a specific type of company where we work with a decent amount of dirty and, let's just say, kind of unsanitary things, but this is how we save up for our stack. This is how we afford to be able to buy gold and silver, is doing what we have to do, and this is how I pay my bills, obviously. So I'm gonna throw these bad boys on real quick. Let's get these on. They're a little small, I can say that much. I am gonna say that we got these products from Ampex. Ampex is a great company. It's actually the first time I've ever ordered from them, but I've heard a lot of good things from them. But shipping kind of takes a while, but that's okay. It's actually got here a lot sooner than I expected it to, but we got what we ordered, and we're excited to show you guys. And we had a very, very big help by finding these products from a great subscriber of this YouTube channel. And if you want to go check him out in the links below, his name is Culture of Currency, and he is a great guy. He has been a huge supporter of this channel. He comments and watches my videos all the time, and I love his content. It is awesome. It's not necessarily stacking content, but he is a great collector, and he has a vast knowledge of cultures and their other currencies. I think that he has great videos, and they are extremely informational and entertaining to watch. Oh boy, dropped some stuff. But if you want to go check him out, please go down in the links below and go find him. He's a great dude, like I said, and huge supporter of my channel. He's been here since day one about one of my first subscribers, I would say. So I'm kind of dumping these out on my lap right now because I don't want to show you guys everything right away. Thing is we've got some pretty cool stuff that we don't want to show you. We want to save the last coin for the last to show you. So first, they're coming in these little capsules. The first I'm going to show you is my Scottsdale Mint 1 troy ounce 3/9 fine silver here. It's the Archangel Michael. I'll pull these out. They come in a little baggie. But I've always wanted one of these. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the other side. It's kind of hard to see right now, but I'll pop these out of the baggie. We got one right there. So I'm popping this this Archangel Michael out of the bag right now. It's not too easy. These gloves are very slippery. I've got one hand free right now because it's hard to do both hands. Here, I'll show you the other side real quick if you guys are unfamiliar. Beautiful bar. I love this thing. I'm so glad I grabbed it. And I like that it comes in this capsule. I think that's awesome. Look at that. Beautiful angel. The shield. God bless you all too. If you haven't yet, just say a quick prayer. It's always good for your soul. You know, I believe in God, I believe in Jesus, and I believe one day that they will come back. And right here we have our silver buffalo. Obviously we can't go a day without it. If we're spending money on the silver buffaloes. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll get shots of each of these coins at the end of the video also. Nice. Awesome. And if you haven't yet checked out a video that I've made about how to store your precious metals, that will also be down in the links below. Right now, I don't even have very many capsules. I used to keep them in flips, but I'm glad. I just bought a capsule. This isn't one of them. I'm glad this one came with one. Very nice. And now these ones that I'm about to show you, I'm actually extremely excited about because these are new to my stack, new to my collection. And I've always kind of wanted some of these pieces, you know. Maybe they're not too exciting for you guys, but hold on, let me get it out of the plastic real quick. Pull that bad boy open. Now right here you can see we have a peace dollar. Absolutely gorgeous. It's 1922 through 1935. This is, what was the year on this? This is a 1935. Beautiful piece of history. I love it. I wonder how many hands have held this thing before me. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And the next one, let's see what we got going on. Oh, I don't have to rip this one open. It's sealed. Nice. Here we go. We have a Morgan silver dollar. Another gorgeous coin. It's a little worn down, but that's okay. We actually have a couple of these to show you guys. This is an 1879, it looks like. Wow. I mean, really beat up, but you know what? Like I said, I love the history of some of this stuff. You know, you don't see them in everyday's world, and I'm just glad I got one. And I've got another one here. Pull this out of the plastic real quick so I can show you guys. This one is an 1890. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I know, like I said, these are a little beat up, a little worn down, but like I said, I love the history with it. I want to know who has held this. I want to know who has kept this in their possession. What has it gone through? and it's just a beautiful, beautiful coin. Can't get over it. I did buy a capsule for a coin too. This is going to be used for one of the coins that I'm about to show you. Actually, it's our last coin that I'm about to show you. And this is the coin that inspired me to go to Ampex and pick up these products. Like I said below, Culture of Currency has inspired me to make this video, and not only make this video, but buy this coin. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I think you guys will understand why I purchased this one. But I want to, I don't really like paying for shipping, so I tend to get a majority of stuff. Obviously, the Silver Buffalo, we got to pick this bad boy up. I want to buy a tube, see if I can fill a tube of Silver Buffaloes. But let me rip this out of the plastic real quick. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful coin. And this is going straight into our capsule. And coming all the way from the Czech Republic, another beautiful, beautiful piece right here. It's got a lion on it, believe it or not. But this is what inspired me to go to Ampex. And if you guys need a link to Ampex, Culture of Currency has one in some of his videos. There is a video down in the links below on this coin specifically, with a bunch of information about not only the Czech Republic, but this coin. Culture of Currency does a great job with his research. Like I said, he has a vast knowledge on a lot of this stuff. He is a great stacker, a great collector, and just a great guy all in general. And I would really appreciate it if you guys went and showed him some love. Comment, watch a couple of his videos. You know, he's got great stuff out there. And, you know, I've learned a couple different things about other cultures and their coins. I think this is amazing. So thank you so much, Culture of Currency. Keep collecting, keep posting videos, and I can't wait to go and view more. And I can't wait for you to come out with more content. Always love your videos. I am going to be throwing this one in specific into our capsule that we bought at Ampex also. So we're going to be throwing that in there. Let's get in that real quick, and I will get a better shot of all these coins for you guys. All right, here we go. Going to get a little bit better of the shot of these coins up here. This is the Czech Republic coin. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I want to say thank you again to Culture of Currency. If you guys haven't yet, please go down in the descriptions and check out his links that are down there. Absolutely amazing person. Like I said, great knowledge on all this stuff. Go with our Morgans. Got our Archangel Michael. Absolutely beautiful bar. That's another one of my favorites. Got our peace dollar over here. 1935. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece of history. And obviously we can't forget the Silver Buffalo. I love them. They're my favorites. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful pieces. Once again, thank you, Culture of Currency. You're the best. You are so great, and I hope you guys go check him out. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.